AI video has always felt like a wait-and-see technology. We've seen the blurry faces and the weird physics. But what if I told you the future just arrived? And it actually feels like a real film studio. Today we're looking at Higgsfield. This isn't just another prompt box. It's a full-stack filmmaking pipeline. So we're talking about Nano Banana Pro for 4K visuals, Kling 2.5 for synchronized audio, and a brand new cinema studio that handles everything from the first frame to the final render. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact workflow on Higgsfield.ai. You're going to generate a cinematic shot from scratch in Higgsfield.ai, then test out the uncensored power of Wan 2.5 and see really if it's the cheapest, most powerful AI platform for creators right now. So let's dive in, manzi. So first things first, every great video starts with a great image. I'm using Nano Banana Pro. The real reason, this is a game changer in visual reasoning. This is the prompt I'm going to input. A futuristic storefront of a neon sign that says Safaricom in 4K resolution. Notice how it handles the text. Usually, AI turns text into gibberish. But look at this, clean, legible, production ready. We can generate in 2K or 4K instantly. It also understands counting, and if I ask for 3 cups on a table, I actually get 3. No more AI hallucinations, okay? Adding life, Kling 2.6, audio and Wan 2.5. So now we are synced to the Kling 2.6 interface. Now visuals are only half the battle. We need motion and sound. This is where Kling 2.6 audio comes in. It's a multimodal engine, meaning it generates the video and the ambient sound in one pass. Upload the Nano Banana image or type a prompt for a rainy street scene. Listen to that. That rain sounds, the footsteps, it's synchronized. No extra editing required. So for the demo action, I'll put in a storefront, guys walking on in front of a Safaricom storefront, okay? But what if you want to push the boundaries, maybe something more internet native or stylized? That's when 2.5 shines. It's a culture native, handles bold prompts, and even supports lip sync and VO in one render. Let's try a 10-second clip for a reel. The Pro Workflow Cinema Studio. Now this is the crown jewel, Cinema Studio. It's a fast end-to-end filmmaking pipeline. Instead of jumping between different websites, you do everything here. Check out these style anchors. You can select specific cinema cameras and lenses. Want that 35mm film look or a wide-angle GoPro vibe? You set the lens. The AI respects the visual grammar or cinematography. I'll show you the text to image and the image to video workflow and the lighting and framing settings. It's not just about generating pixels, it's directing a scene. The consistency of characters across different angles is actually usable for a short film. Whether you're a filmmaker looking to storyboard or a creator needing high-end B-roll, Higgsfield is making this accessible. It's fast, it's high-res, and honestly, it's one of the best creator-friendly platforms I've tested this year. You can try it out for free at the links in my description. If you want to level up your production, use my promo code to unlock the pro plans. What do you think? Is AI filmmaking finally here? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI deep dives. I'll see you in the next one.